In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a simple division into a clean percentage with no decimals in your spreadsheet. We're going to keep this really straightforward. You'll start by selecting the first box or cell that holds the value you want to compare. Think of this as your starting number, the part of a whole you're measuring. With that first box active, type a /. The slash tells the spreadsheet you want to divide. Now click the second box, the one that contains the value you want to divide by. This second box represents the total or baseline you're comparing against. By clicking the first box, typing the slash, and then clicking the second box, you've set up a clean division between those two values. At this point, head up to the toolbar along the top and click the percentage button. It usually looks like a percent sign. That one click transforms the division result into a percentage automatically. What was a plain ratio now reads as a clear percent, which is much easier to understand at a glance. If you're comparing parts to a whole, this is exactly what you want. Next, let's make the result look tidy. Find the control that shows 0.0 on the toolbar. This is the decimal formatting button. Click it to remove the decimal places, so your percentage shows as a whole number. If the number still shows decimal digits, click it again until the decimals are gone. Different layouts may show up and down arrows for decimals or a pair of buttons to increase or decrease decimal places. In any case, keep using the option that reduces decimals until you're left with a clean, rounded percentage. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure both boxes you clicked contain numbers, not text, so the division works correctly. If the second box is empty or 0, you'll see an error, because you can't divide by 0. Also, if you momentarily see a long string of digits before you apply the percentage format, that's normal. The formatting step is what makes the result readable. And if your toolbar is condensed on a smaller screen, the percentage button and the 0.0 control may be grouped. Look for the percent symbol and the decimal icons. That's it. You click the first box, type the divide symbol, click the second box, applied percentage formatting, and then remove the decimals for a polished finish. Now your result is clear, professional, and easy to share.